If you're looking for the Shopify free trial, here's exactly how to get the current offer and what you need to know before signing up. Right now, new Shopify users can start with a free trial and after that continue for just $1 per month for 3 months on eligible plans. To get the offer, simply click the link in the description below. That link takes you directly to Shopify's free trial promotional page where you can start your free trial. Just so you know, if the link is an affiliate link, which means I'm earning a commission if you decide to sign up. It doesn't cost you anything extra. Once you're on the Shopify free trial page, enter an email address and click the arrow icon to start your free trial. Next, create a password for your Shopify account. Once your account is ready, Shopify will display its current promotional offer. Right now, that includes a 3-day free trial, followed by just $1 per month for your first 3 months on eligible plans. At this point, you can enter your payment information and subscribe right away, or simply click skip if you'd rather continue exploring Shopify first. Next, you'll answer a few questions about your business, although you can skip most of them if you prefer. After your account is created, you'll be taken to your brand new Shopify dashboard. During your free trial, you can explore everything Shopify has to offer before committing to a paid plan. You can browse and customize themes, add products, organize your collections, install apps from the Shopify App Store, connect a custom domain, set up payment methods, and become familiar with the platform so you're ready to launch your online store. Before your free trial ends, Shopify will ask you to choose a subscription plan. If you're just getting started, the basic plan is usually the best choice for most new online stores. After selecting your plan, you'll be able to continue with Shopify's promotional pricing of $1 per month for the next 3 months, giving you extra time to finish building your store before paying the regular subscription price. One thing to remember is that this promotion is only available for new Shopify accounts, so if you've used Shopify before, you may not qualify. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you're ready to start your online store, click the link in the description to claim the current Shopify free trial offer. And if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, tips, and discounts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.